so excited because this stuff came in the mail. Been waiting on these things what seems like forever because I Cyber Monday shopped and shouldn't have. Super excited, just slumming it around the house today in my boyfriend's Biggie Smalls shirt, and we're going to create something using the Perception palette. Look how pretty. And then one of her glosses from Shayla X ColourPop. Drippin' Shade in Season 10. The gloss and then 2 mattes. All right. Gonna use the Clinique Moisture Surge to hydrate. I've been using it every day because, I mean, my skin is always super dry. So, and now that it's almost winter, or is it winter? I don't know. This is just a must. Fenty Beauty Primer. You guys know the drill. Pump and a half, because we gotta make this shit last. Just kidding. I don't need too much. Bing, bing, bing.
Xantone.
Look at all this ice up on my wrist, yeah. Wet me a ball in the butter red, yeah. Shorty bad, looking like she a 10, yeah. Bust it open, you might just get you a tip, yeah. Wet. Look at all this ice up on my wrist, yeah. Wet me a ball in the butter red, yeah. Shorty bad, looking like she a 10, yeah. Bust it open, you might just get you a tip, yeah. All this ice on me wet, all these bags on me, yeah. All these bitches on me, yeah. Running up a chair. All this ice on me wet, all these bags on me, yeah. All these bitches on me, yeah. Running up a chair.
I don't really do this shit often. Baby, step off in my office. Come on, act right. Might just get an outfit. Your little man, he gon' have a fit. But never worry, he's irrelevant. Always worrying, asking where you been. Then you reply, COTM, yeah. Never going up right now. Poppin' sales pouring up right now. Backwoods and them leaves getting stuffed right now. We them niggas you can't touch right now. Topic of discussion like, wow, got your bitch on my dick right now. Jet fuel got me all in the clouds. Ain't talking money, you could tone it down. We them niggas, body boy, look around, yeah. Body boy, look around.
Look at all this ice up on my wrist, yeah. Wet me a ball in the butter rim, yeah. Shorty bad looking like she a 10, yeah. Bust it open, you might just get you a tip, yeah. All this ice on me wet, all these bags on me, yeah. All these bitches on me, yeah. Running up a chair. All this ice on me wet, all these bags on me, yeah. All these bitches on me, yeah. Running up a chair. Really bust down. Shit feel like a dream, cause we up right now. Flip my pint upside down. Got the money counter bleeding out. Yeah. Now let's talk a check. Let me wear my neck. Ooh. Bad bitch on the set. Show me what the neck do. Pour a pint for me. Pour a pint for you. Throw that ass again. Show me what it do. Wrist no cold. Roll it like it good. Diamonds dancing. Ooh. Mad with mad. I'm just smoking gas. I'm not comfortable. I need meds. First and lean. Twin bitches on a bean. They wanna have my offspring. They'll count Benjis. Scoring cool, skirt, on my ice drip. Where you went outside, loser. When I pipe your bitch, double my pint real quick. BVS is shine lit. What up my AP drip shit? What up my AP drip shit? Look at all the ice up on my wrist, yeah. Wet me a ball in the butter rim, yeah. shorty bad looking like she a 10, yeah. Bust it open, you might just get you a tip, yeah. All this ice on me wet, all these bags on me, yeah. All these bitches on me, yeah. Running up a chair. All this ice on me wet, all these bags on me, yeah. All these bitches on me, yeah. Running up a chair.
His and hers rolling, VBS is twerking. Yeah, all them diamonds around my neck, you could tell I'm working. Like a fallen angel, girl, God.
Ew.
Good.
We don't do no beer. Louis V loafers, cherry on the bottom. Started from the bottom, now we at the top, baby. Gucci boots, hit the gas while I do the dash. Thinking to myself, like damn, you bad. But I gotta go, baby, I gotta get the cash. Now why you bring it back? And that my money then. Bad bitches bust it open and I'ma throw them bands. Diamonds dripping like an ocean gas. Now mama dripping like an ocean gas. She floating gas.
Look at all the ice up on my wrist, yeah. Wet me up all in the butter rim, yeah. Shorty bad looking like she a 10, yeah. Bust it open, you might just get you a tip, yeah. All this ice on me wet, all these bags on me, yeah. All these bitches on me, yeah. Running up a chair. All this ice on me wet, all these bags on me, yeah. All these bitches on me, yeah. Running up a chair.
Xantone, beat.
From the trenches, from the mud, yeah. Hang around cause it's love out. From the trenches, from the mud, yeah. Hang around cause it's love out. From the trenches, from the mud, yeah. Hang around cause it's love out. Yeah. From the trenches, from the mud, yeah. Hang around cause it's love out. Yeah. You ain't built good from around here. Gunshots and down here. Yeah. From the trenches, from the mud, from the slums. Gotta be careful how you come. Today could be your last one. Today could be your last one. Trenches, yeah. Trenches, yeah. Trenches, yeah. Man up front of trenches, yeah. Trenches, yeah. Trenches, yeah. Trenches, yeah. Man up front of trenches, yeah. I'm from the trenches, I'ma rep that till I die. Banging with the click, waving black in the sky. Why y'all come so hard? Bitch, you know why. We clicked up deep, waving them bangers tonight. Back to the bitches, the business, the money. I just be thumbing through hundreds. Red run, bitch, I'm drumming. Ducking, now y'all get to running. Y'all niggas all talk, and they all say talk is just cheap. None of y'all niggas is worrying me. I just get stuck to this bread, this guap. Pull out the Glock and the niggas gon' pop. Off with your top, use it as mop. Sweep up the streets, Red being your team. No memory, so fuck all my enemies. Chopper sing like symphony. Bad bitch, her name Tiffany. And she got knowledge, graduated from college. She smart about them dollars, you bro, you can't holler for real. You bro, you can't holler for real. She all about the dollar bills. Real nigga, we grind for them. Chop over time for them. Send out the rounds for them. Send out the rounds. Lay life on the line for them. From the trenches, from the mud, yeah. Hang around cause it's love out. Yeah. You ain't built good from around here. Gunshots and it's down here. Yeah. From the trenches, from the mud, from the slums. Gotta be careful how you come. Today could be your last one. Today could be your last one. Trenches, yeah. Trenches, yeah. Trenches, yeah. Man up front of trenches, yeah. Trenches, yeah. Trenches, yeah. Trenches, yeah. Man up front of trenches, yeah.
I'm from the back of the woods, where we stuff good in the wood, where your whole family from the hood. Everybody hustle, what's school? Every other day, nigga found on the news. Blam by the shoes, fuck laws, all we do is break rules in the trenches. Move with the tool, get snoozed in the trenches. Everybody lose in the trenches. Gotta fight every day till you move out the trenches. Easy get lost in the trenches. Bottom line, stick to the business. Object of the game is the stack, then get out, and not too many make it out. Got flattened by they foes, got jammed on them folks. Strong out selling dough, got lost in the system trying to pull a kick though. Informers town sales went down, selling raw. Got a beef head buzz, caught with your pants down. Gotta be solid where I'm from. Bitch, I'm hard body, how I come. Everybody wildin', but just don't where I'm from. Not for him, advise not to come. Fresh meat, lunch meat, Lee ass done.
Alright guys, and this is the finished look. I have tried out my new Perception palette from Shayla x COLOURPOP. And then I got 3 new lipsticks. One is a lip gloss and 2 of them are matte lipsticks. Right now I have on the Drippin' lip gloss. And I pretty much used the whole palette except for one shade to, except for Siren I used. And that was to intensify more of like the outer crease area. But other than that, I used this whole palette, and my thoughts is this is amazing. It was super pigmented and it like went on really well along with the Morphe brushes. Everything went on really well, and I really like this look. I don't have any lashes left because my last pair ripped. I thought I can get one more wear out of it, but then when I was taking off the glue from last time, I pulled something else. So no lashes today, just my lashes. Make them look pretty. And that is it, you guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.